Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to get the difference between two dates in your digital chatbot marketing. This feature is important to learn because it is especially helpful in some situations. For example, when creating a reservation bot, you might need to get the difference between the customer's departure date and the customer's check-in date. Also, you can easily get the difference between now and a specific date. All you need to do is to get the dates. Convert the dates to total number of seconds and save it in a number custom field. Get the difference between the two numbers and convert it to days by dividing it by 86,400. To convert date to seconds, please follow this format. To convert any number today, you need to divide the number by 86,400. Remember, 60 seconds makes 1 minute, 60 minutes makes 1 hour, 24 hours makes 1 day. 60 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 24 equals 86,400. Let me show you how. There you have it. You just learned how to get the difference between two dates in your digital chatbot marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.